Hi guys, Attorney Doug Clifford here at the Clifford Law Offices. It's July 3rd, about 5 o'clock. We're heading into Independence Day weekend, a good time to celebrate. Just want to make sure that you guys know your rights when it comes to being accused of a DUI offense. Last week or a couple weeks ago, we had a number of people that asked about not doing field sobriety tests on scene. And there's no law in Ohio that requires you to do field sobriety tests or dexterity tests, so be aware of that. Also, you do not have to do a portable breath test. Now, this is an example of a portable breath tester. There are a lot of other types out there, but they're a handheld device that has not been ruled to be scientifically accurate by the Ohio Department of Health, so they are not admissible as far as at trial. However, they can help to establish probable cause for the officer to arrest you. Why would you want to provide evidence against yourself? You're not required to, and oftentimes police officers will say, I just want to make sure you're okay to drive. The fact of the matter is they're trying to gather more evidence to convict you later on. So my advice is do not do portable breath tests or field sobriety tests, which would include the eye test, the walk and turn, and the one-leg stand. However, if you are arrested for OVI, which you probably will, because the officer will say you have bloodshot glassy eyes, you smell like alcohol, and you committed some kind of minor traffic violation, you're going to be placed under arrest whether you do those field sobriety tests or not. You're not required to. There's no penalty for not doing the test, so don't. However, if you go to the police station, you will probably end up seeing a machine substantially similar to this one. Maybe a little bit smaller. It may be exactly like this one. This is the breath machine, the Data Master, that most police departments in northern Ohio use. If you go to the police station because you're arrested and you do not take that evidentiary breath test, then you will lose your license for a minimum of 1 year on a first offense, 2 years on a second offense in 6 years, or up to 3 years on a third offense in 6 years. My advice, as the law stands today, is that you should take that test if the officer requests you to take it. Hopefully the law will change soon with litigation, but at this point, if you don't, you're going to lose your driving privileges for at least a year. Whereas if you take the test and you're over the limit, you'll only lose it for 90 days. And there are certain tricks of the trade that we can use to get you out of that offense. But it's very helpful for you if you avoid taking the dexterity test, the eye test, and the portable breath test. Have a good, safe, happy Independence Day this weekend. And if you need us, call us Monday morning. We'll be here at 9 a.m. 419-677-6347. Or you can find us on the web at www.norwalkohiolaw.com, www.sanduskyOhioLaw.com, or www.ncohiodui.com, northcentralohio.com. Thank you very much. Have a great, safe holiday.